Hello everybody, welcome to Multimedia. This is Abhiram Baum, and today we're going to be talking about length and line plots. Objective: understanding how to find the rules that the problem is asking and plotting that on a line plot. So today we're just going to be talking about Alex and a few couple names and their items, and we're going to plot their items on a line plot, and today I'm going to teach you how we can do that. So let's get started. So for our first problem, you can see Alex, Katie, Max, and Ava. So what we're doing here is we're going to plot all these guys' numbers on a line plot. I'm going to draw a line plot here. A line plot is almost the exact same as a number line. On the line plot, instead of putting the numbers, we're going to put these names here. Let me put these guys. So Alex, Katie, sorry about that, Katie, Max, and Ava. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to draw an X's of the number they represent as chocolates. So Alex has 5 chocolates. You can either put an X or you can put a circle. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to do X. So Alex has 5 chocolates. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this 5 represents Alex has 5 chocolates. Now, let's try to do the same thing with Katie. Katie has 6 chocolates. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw 6 X's. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to erase a little here. So it's going to be 6 chocolates. I just want to keep that in mind. And then continue. So there are 3, 4, 5, 6. So Alex has 5 chocolates and Katie has 6. Now let's draw to represent Max. Now, how much does Max has? He has 4 chocolates. 4 chocolates. That means we would draw 4 X's here. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 chocolates Max is representing. Now Ava. Let's see, how many does Ava have? Ava has 3 chocolates, so I'm going to draw 3 X's. So that's 1, 2, 3. Now, this is a line plot. This is the line plot that is representing all of these guys' names and what they have. Alex has 5 chocolates, so I put 5 X's here to represent those chocolates. And Katie has 6 chocolates to represent her 6 chocolates, and Max 4 chocolates, and Ava 3 chocolates. Now you're wondering, why do mathematicians, or why do we have to learn this? Because learning line plots will organize not just you, but your problem step by step. So let's say you're having a problem where you had, okay, Alex has 5 chocolates and Katie has 6 chocolates. Draw a line plot to represent their numbers, and this is how you're going to do it. All you have to do is just draw a normal number line, but instead of putting the numbers, you're putting the names, and then on top just put what number they represent. And when you're finishing the problem, make sure you put chocolates in the end. So I'll just put chocolates, CH to abbreviate, and yes, so this is a line plot that you're expecting, and it's basically just representing what Alex, Katie, Max, and Ava have. Alex has chocolates. Well, everybody has chocolates, and all we're doing is just seeing here how many chocolates you had. Now let's say you do not have this information, and all your problem your teacher gave you is just this information, and telling you, sorry about that, and telling you, to solve it. So basically, you're just gonna put, okay, Alex has 5 chocolates, Katie has 6 chocolates, Max has 4 chocolates, and Ava has 3 chocolates. So basically, what you're doing is you're just putting down what they represent. So instead of right now, we just numbered Alex, Katie, Max, and Ava's chocolates. But if you did not have this information, all you have to do is just represent what they have. So you can just write Alex has 5 chocolates and Katie has 6. So on, so on. Now, let's move to problem time. So I'm going to draw a line plot here. And I'm going to tell you what these numbers represent first. So these numbers represent their dogs or their cats or their pets. So Alex has 2 pets, Max has 1, Katie has 3, and Eva has 1. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to write the names down. Alex, Max, Katie, and Ava. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to draw, instead of doing X's, we can do circles, we can do stars, we can do anything to represent. But this time I'm going to do circles. So Alex, he has 2 pets, so that's 1, 2. Now Max, he has 1 pet, so that's 3. And then Katie has 3 pets, so that's 1, 2, 3 dots. And then Ava also has 1 pet, that's going to be 1. Now, all we did here is just we drew instead of X's, we drew circles, we drew dots. You can also do that. You can draw squares, you can draw stars, you can draw anything. It doesn't really matter. All you have to do is just make sure you represent the numbers correctly. Now, I'm going to give this information. All I'm going to give is Alex has 2 pets, and Katie, sorry I'm coming with the same names up. Those are the only names I have in my head right now. Alex, Katie has 3. Now, we don't have this line plot information, so I'm just going to draw a line plot. Or better yet, I'm going to draw a line plot, and I want you guys to pause the video and just try to find out and comment down below what you get for your answer to do what the numbers are. So I'm just going to draw a line plot. That looks more like a number line. Do that, and that. And all I'm going to do is just write down the numbers. Alex, Alex and Katie. Now, you can comment down below what you get for your answer. So I'm just going to put, now, the theme of this problem is laptops. So, comment down below and pause the video to try to find it out. How many laptops does Alex have and how many laptops does Katie have? Comment down below what you get for your answer. Now, let's do a few more problems with me. Let me draw a number line. Sorry, not a number line, number plot. I get those confused sometimes. I just get my pen out here. Okay, I'll just draw a line plot. Okay, now I put Alex, Ava, Max, and Katie. Now, this theme is the number of their age. Now, we're going to line plot this on the line plot. So Alex is 6 years old, so I'll put 6 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, Ava, how old is she? She's 4 years old. I'm going to put 4 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how old is Max? Max is 3, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, and then how old is Katie? Katie is also 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are done plotting the number of their age. Now, let's say I erase this and just figure it out here. Okay, and you already know the theme is age, what their age is the line plot. So you know that Alex is gonna be 6, Ava's gonna be 4, Max is gonna be 3, and Katie was about 6. Well, you would already know that because you had this, but if you did not, then you'll have to try to find it out. So since I already gave you guys a problem to do, I won't give you another one. But thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go back to my slide here so you guys have a better idea of what we're doing. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Abiram Paul. Please tell me how I can make my videos better. Comment down that below and have a great day. Look out for the few third grade playlists and the fourth grade playlists. Watch those videos. They'll help you a lot. And have a great day. Bye bye.